YouTube, what's going on, man? We back outside. We back out here. Finna get some shooting done. Right there. Hopefully this audio is picking up really well, man. I got a brand new mic for you guys. Try to bring some better quality audio out. Got 2 targets set up, some old paper, and then this. And this target sectioned off. I got about 3 inches. It's a hostage target, basically. We're gonna work a few transitions out right quick. Let's get that turned up. We'll go rifle to pistol. These right now are the first shots of the day. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get this raw. Come up. Bing, 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 bing. All right. Mic fell off. And I don't know where the hell the magnet piece went. So we're gonna go right back to clipping her on. Now let's get to it for real. Safety didn't go back on, that's me. And I missed the steel. There it goes. Hold on, wait, where'd it go? Right here. There's my magnet. Run it back. I gotta remember to flip that safety back off. Shit, for my own well-being. 946. We can do better. Oh, there you go. I whiffed the shit out of that second rifle shot. I know it. 689. We're still center. Our hostages are fine, but I whiffed the hell out that second shot. Not gonna lie. Trying to work it on this uneven ground is really aggravating. And we're I'll say we're about 7, 8 yards away from both paper targets, and then about 10 to 13, something like that, away from the steel. So 779, right? Yeah, 779. There you go. 593. I really need to work on getting like a better sight picture on the draw with the pistol. Like, it's there. It's just I'm not confident enough that I have the grip on the gun to get it to where it needs to be to reliably hit the shot. Safety still didn't go off. Yep, it didn't. I gotta remember that. Beat that into my head. I got the safety coming on the draw. I got that figured, but it's just the safety coming off or going back on like that. Oh, holster fucked me and missed the shot. That's the one thing about wearing this holster with certain types of pants, man. That shit does not stay at all. I should have brought my battle belt out here, but I left it in the damn car and I do not feel like going all the way back. Let's run it again. 766. Cool. I thought I had the holster again. 676. Oh, I didn't take my safety off again. Pop myself in the face. There you go. 572. Yeah, I don't remember what's the best time. Y'all see it pop up on screen. Let's reset that. Did I take safety off? I did not.
You idiot. You're honestly an idiot.
Oh, I missed my... Missed. I don't know where that went to. 811. That one was all messed up. I forgot to shoot the other shot. Move it slow. Safety. Pistol. Missed. I think I went just underneath. 817. We're gonna move it real slow. Try to get this right. Rifle up. Right. Shot. Yeah, 10.55. Took my time, get it right. All right, let's just transition to target to target with just the rifle. Yeah, just the rifle. All right, we got a new mag. Seven. All right. Let me show y'all the target real quick. We got mostly everything inside. One outlier, unfortunately. There was no real specific spot I was aiming for either, like to hit over and over again. It was just inside there. And then everything here, I'm not sure if it's because of how far I am, but everything is like, would have been within the A, but it's just lower. I take some pot shots at that steel. We got 7 left in the mag. We'll go on the draw, steel. Everything steel. Let's try. Oh, holster came off. God damn, man. What do I have to do? We got one, huh? All right, so we were about 15 yards out. Let's bag it up a little bit more. About right here to do it. The barrel is 20 yards away from the steel. We're a little bit further away than the barrel. Let's pop out real quick. Not bad. I hope all of you guys are enjoying the video. I hope you're enjoying the channel so far. I got a lot of things coming up for the channel, man. A lot better quality videos, stuff that I still need to get, stuff I still want to do. I want to increase. I'm not a collector per se. I want to be able to give myself the title or the role of protector. In terms of firearm use, that means being proficient with it. You know what I'm saying? Something go bump in the night or during the day at my home, I need to be able to take care of business. So that's really what I'm out here for. Not saying that I'm not going to be purchasing any other firearms. As a matter of fact, PSA has a 2011 that they're going to drop sometime soon. They just announced, won first place in their poll. So of course that's what I went and voted for. But I'm definitely picking that up whenever it drops. I want to get an SBR. I'm a big fan of short barrel rifles. You know, I want to build one out, make it look real nice. And then what else do I want? I want to get one more pistol. Maybe 2, either a Glock clone. I'm leaning more towards either a BCA Grizzly or a PSA Dagger, one of those 2. And then I want to get a Glock 17. Throw some movement in and yeah, let's just ball out with the rounds we got left. We got one more mag of each, so ball out with these rounds real quick. Hey, maybe I'm becoming a better shot. Back to back like that from 20 on the steel. Back to back. Me. What? What? Miss. Miss. What? I think we got 6. Ah. Yep, 6. Missed one steal. I'm a sucker something. Shoulder that shit. And that's that. Hey, fuck it, we ride. Hey, look, man, look. I hope y'all did enjoy this video, man. Don't forget, please leave a comment if you want to. They're always greatly appreciated. I'll respond to every comment I see, every single one. And subscribe to the channel, man. I got plenty of more videos coming out for you guys very soon. All right.